Check this out, y'all. You guys noticed the new theme of all my videos. Getting a little dirty wearing these things, but it's all good. I got gloves on, man. This is what you call beauty, man. Great finish. We fit as many stones as we can for a client's budget. So say, for example, somebody wants a 6 top, 6 bottom like this, but they only have like $1,200, $1,500 to spend. Then we can use less diamonds. We can use more diamonds. We can use high quality diamonds. We can use low quality diamonds. We always fit the orders towards the client's budget. This one is a 6 top, 6 bottom. It's got the open face in the front 4, top and bottom, as you can see. And on the tips of each of those open faces, we fit the diamonds. Now, this client had a certain budget, and we basically let him know how many diamonds would be able to fit in there for his budget, and he was happy about that. Sent him a video. He's beyond super happy. Now, one thing about Seattle Gold Grillz, if the mold kit is done right, they always fit. We have got this thing down to a science now. So, as you can see with this one thing we do not sacrifice is quality. Excuse me. Even though this one has the open face, you can still see the gum line. Polished. So that way you can see those teeth, y'all. The open faces are so special because you can see the white, the pearly white teeth on each one of those guys. The golds, man. Something about gold grills, the most personal thing in jewelry. People get so excited about these things, man. If we tell them 4 to 5 weeks, they're going to be done. In 2 weeks, they're going to be hitting us up for an update. You know what I mean? 4 to 5 weeks, not including weekends. If we do 100 orders, 89 of them, just to make us work as much as possible, guys. So this is why Johnny Dang, Elliot Aviani, those people do not answer the phones, man. They do not do that stuff because they would be getting driven crazy. The time they woke up, from the time they go to sleep, they would be doing updates on orders. But I appreciate you guys, nonetheless, for being a Seattle Gold Grillz client. Do not ever get that twisted. We just got to do them as fast as we can main thing is without sacrificing quality. Best way to reach us is always going to be our business line, guys. Unfortunately, we get an overwhelming amount of orders. We cannot work via text message on any of the social media pages, guys. People try to get creative. They go to social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, email, Google My Business, anywhere, to get us answering questions via text. Always best to reach out to us and talk to a voice, guys. That way we can let you know what's going on. We can let you know where you're at. We can, all those type of different things. But generally, always stick to the rule of about 4 to 5 weeks right now after doing mold kits. If it takes any longer than that, always call us, guys. Always call us. We'd love to hear from you. This one right here running anywhere between $1,200 to $1,600, depending on how many stones we use, how big your teeth are, what quality, and basically depending on your budget. Thank you guys once again. My name is Fred the Jeweler. My company is Seattle Gold Grillz. We'd love to service you anywhere around the country. Place an order. We ship the mold kits to you. You ship it back, guys. Make sure you tap in too. All right, now. Peace out. 1.